Welcome to the Nude figure sculpting class. Sculpting the human figure is one of the most important, essential skill that a character artist can possess. Characters will simply not look right if their figure isn't, obviously. Even professional artists can make mistakes. It's a problem that needs fixing, and probably more than you think. The purpose of this course then is to show artists of all levels how to successfully tackle sculpting the human figure. Just like everything else in art, there are some steps that you should follow to make your life easier, and I hope to communicate the techniques that I found work best with you. Sculpting the human figure obviously requires a good understanding of anatomy and proportions, so I would highly recommend that you check out my ultimate anatomy guide before tackling this if you need to get up to speed. But as I said, regardless of your level, the process remains the same, and so this course should be great for everyone. I'm going to use ZBrush for all the sculpting, but you could very well apply the same techniques to any medium, since I won't be focusing on the tools as much as the process itself. We'll start by building a quick mannequin to establish the proportions and our pose. We'll then progressively add more and more detail, focusing on the different aspects of anatomy and really building our figure from the inside out. We'll start from the frame, going into the muscles, the skin, and then the fat. And not only the figure, but I will also tackle sculpting the human face as well to make sure we have a great, complete sculpt to add to our portfolio once we're done. I've been an artist for a very long time at this point. I've had a long career, and I don't think there is any better way to really understand the human figure, its anatomy, its proportions, than by trying to sculpt it, whether you are 2D or a 3D artist. Not only that, but the process is a ton of fun, so I'm really excited to get started. If you're looking to level up your sculpting, figure drawing, and anatomy skills, and more specifically if you're looking to sculpt a beautiful figure, you know what I'm about to say. You've found the right course. Oh yeah, baby. With that said, I'll see you in the next chapter.